Hello. For these couple problems, we are finding a confidence interval with the mean, and so you want the margin of error one with the mean that's in Chapter 8. A botanist wishes to estimate the typical number of seeds for a certain fruit. She samples 38 specimens, so that's her sample size, and counts the number of seeds in each. Use her sample results, mean, standard deviation, to find a 98% confidence interval. So we come over here, our sample size, we fill in right here. Sample size was 38. The mean 15.4. Standard deviation 11.9. And then 98% confidence interval. Now this is a t-test because the standard deviation was from my sample, not the population. And it's 0.98. So then here's your interval. 10.706, 20.094, right here. Oops. For this one here, a little bit different, because instead of giving us the mean and the standard deviation, they're giving us the sample, and we have to find the mean and the standard deviation. So let me delete what we had here. There we go. Okay. Assume high temperatures are normally distributed based on this data. Find 80% confidence interval, the mean high temperature of the towns. Enter your answer in an interval. Okay, sample size was 8. Now to find the mean, add all of them up and divide by how many there are. But since you're already using Excel, you can use the formulas in Excel. So you click here where you need the answer, you put equals. Another word for mean is average. And notice when I start to type average, the second one down is average. If you double click it, average comes up, and then I already typed my data in, so the 96.3, 97.5, I typed it here. So you type it on the Excel, and then you highlight it. To highlight, you left click and drag it down, and then hit enter, and there's my average. We can do the same thing with standard deviation. We click here where we need it, we put equals and type ST for standard, and then there's two standard deviations. This one is the sample and this one's the population, so we use the sample. Double click it, highlight your data, hit enter, and there's your standard deviation. This is a small sample, so it's a t-distribution, and we wanted an 80%, so 0.8. And then here's our interval. 97 point, well, oh yeah, 21. And then 98.24.